Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through best iPhone app for astrophotography. The first app is PhotoPills. Key features: helps plan astrophotography shots with tools like Milky Way positioning, augmented reality to visualize celestial events and compositions, perfect for capturing stunning star trails and night skies. But you have to pay for it to install the app. Now, let us go to our star player app, the Astro Shader app. Astro Shader is designed to enhance astrophotography by applying specialized filters and editing tools for night sky photos. First, download and install. Search for Astro Shader in the App Store and go ahead and install it. Next, open and import photos. Launch the app by tapping Open and grant access to your camera by tapping Allow. Then swipe up these and tap on Start using Astro Shader. Now, tap on the photo with the plus button on the bottom left corner. Then tap Allow Full Access. Import your astrophotography images or take a new one using your iPhone's camera. Fine-tune the colors with the temperature and tint tools to adjust the night sky's hue by going to Color, adjust the brightness, background extraction, and adjust the curved shadow, low midtones, and more, and sharpen. After editing, tap the Save button in the top right corner to export the enhanced image to your gallery. Additional tips: use Astro Shader in combination with a tripod-mounted iPhone for the best photography results. Experiment with the HDR mode to balance shadows and highlights. Pair it with apps like PhotoPills for shot planning and alignment. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.